The DeepSeek Harness has only been out for 2 weeks, and it already has 200,000 stars on GitHub. That's why today I'm going to show you how you can text, call, and email your DeepSeek agent with the new Inkbox plugin. To get started, you won't need any accounts or API keys. All you need is a running DeepSeek Harness on your computer. Before we start, let's check that the harness is already installed. Now I'll go to the Inkbox plugin README, copy this command, and run it to install the plugin and launch the setup wizard. Now I don't have an Inkbox API key, so I'll need to enter my email here. I'll call this agent Dima's DeepSeek agent. To claim this agent identity, I'll go to my email, grab the verification code, and paste it here. Now I do want my agent to be accessible through iMessage with RCS and SMS fallback, so we'll say yes here. And now I need to opt in to receive texts from my agent. To do this, I'll go ahead and scan this QR code, which will send the connect command to the Inkbox router. The Inkbox router will assign a dynamic number to my connection with the agent. To finish the connection, I'll go ahead and send it the first message. Now, back in the terminal, I'm going to accept the default recommended configs for the voice calls, and I'm ready to restart the server. Just like that, everything's set up and we're ready to test it. Let's see if the DeepSeek agent is aware of its Inkbox identity. Great, looks like it's self-aware. Let's have it save my contact so it knows who I am across calls, messages, and emails. Now I'll have it send me an email to introduce itself. Great, time to test out the phone call. Here the agent's calling me. Let's answer. Hello?
Hi, Dima. How can I help?
Yeah, after the call, can you send me the weather temperature in San Francisco over text?
I queue to check the temperature in San Francisco, and I'll send it to you over iMessage.
Great, thank you. Moments later, I should be getting a text. And here it is. If you want to give your agents their own emails, phone numbers, and a channel of talking to other agents, check out Inkbox at inkbox.ai.